was Bastion. I guess it's a bit of a cliche to say take nothing away from the other team, but there's a lot of positives that we can look at when you look at Bryanston's performance. First half, they were in the game for most of the 20 minutes, but key mistakes that they made, immediately Bastion capitalized on it. For example, there was an interception try against the run of play. Eventually, those key mistakes is what can make or break a team, and it was 36-5. At 36-5 first half, I thought now we're going to see a score of 80 to 90 to even 100 points because it was Bastion all the way, and it looks like Bryanston was down and out. But then at 62-5, Bryanston came back in the game. They scored 2 tries in the end, 62-19. So a lot of positives that I can mention of Bryanston. Every time they touch the ball, the backline looked dangerous. And if they can just cut out on the basics mistakes that they made in the first half, the scoreline will be much more competitive. So take nothing away from them. And after all, we also need to emphasize the fact that we are talking here about a school Bastion that has been in the top 100 in South Africa. They know what it is to play against the best in the country. Bryanston is not even a ranked team, and they really play today. So give them a couple of games, couple of weeks, and we will see a much different team.
Well done, rugby supporters. We've got Bastion here. Bastion 13, 64, 19. Yay!
This is the spirit of the game. This is the spirit, guys. Back to the studio.